Welcome to WanderSmith. A little bird told us that we need good footage to make videos, so today we're making this Steadicam. Let's get started. This Steady will be built using 3/4 inch PVC connectors and pipe. We will need one cross connector, two T connectors, an elbow connector, a 3/4 inch slip to 1 inch thread adapter, and also a 1 inch threaded cap. The Steady Derek is using to film this is equipped with a ball head, which really adds a lot of flexibility to the build, and that's attached with a 3/8 by 16 bolt. But if you don't want to shell out the $20 for the ball head, you could always use a standard 1/4-20 tripod mount. Unfortunately, this makes the camera difficult to mount straight to the Steady, and it removes the ability to tilt the camera independently. Now we need to cut our pipe to length. Because this is PVC, it's really easy to adapt for your personal requirements. But for us, for the arms, we need two 6-inch pieces, we need an 18-inch length for the weighted end, a 4-inch section to hang the weights, and a 1.5-inch stub to connect the threaded end to the cross. And don't forget to record cutting two 5-inch sections for your handles. So here's the layout. We're going to use PVC cement to secure the permanent connections here, 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 and here. To secure the removable handles and weight carrier, we'll use 1032 thumb screws here, here, and here. All telepathic tricks aside, let's go to the drill press. First, we'll drill a 9/64 inch hole in the couplings to tap for the thumb screws. Then we'll follow that with a 3/16 drill bit in the pipes to provide clearance for the threads. For the cap, we'll drill another 3/16 inch hole and tap it to accept the 1/4-20 camera mount. Using threaded fasteners allows us to reconfigure the Steadicam as the situation demands. Putting a chamfer on the holes in the pipes allows the thumb screws to pull the handles into alignment more easily upon assembly. Now we're ready to put it all back together. We sandcast aluminum and lead weights to counterbalance the weight of the camera. To do this, we made a quick wooden buck and molded it in green sand. The metal was melted in the forge and then poured into the sand molds. Custom weights are super extra, but any heavy object can be used. Just zip tie it onto the pipes. The weight on the bottom makes the Steadicam act like a pendulum, smoothing the camera movements. The added weight stabilizes the camera by lowering the center of mass. We added foam to the handles using double-sided upholstery tape, making the Steady more comfortable to grip and less likely to slip, which is important when you're goofing off.
Sometimes dreams only cost $15, and sometimes you should subscribe to WanderSmith.